In today's digitally advanced world, people prefer shopping online from USA stores. However, most US shopping sites don't provide global shopping outside the US. The ones that provide international shopping charges exorbitant costs for shipping. As a frequent online shopper, how can you purchase your favorite products from US stores at considerate shipping costs and get them delivered to your doorsteps in your country? That's why USGoBuy is designed for you. Introducing USGoBuy, an online platform that allows you to shop from any US store while spending less international shipping costs. Using USGoBuy for saving your shipping costs is so easy. Simply sign up at USGoBuy and get a free US shipping address. When you shop from US stores, USGoBuy will receive your items and deliver them to your country. To save stress, you can simply copy the link of your preferred item, send it to USGoBuy, while USGoBuy does the shopping for you and ship it to your doorstep. USGoBuy is in cooperation with DHL, UPS, USPS, and FedEx, offering lower prices than their officials. After receiving your parcel in the warehouse in Portland, Oregon, USGoBuy will take photos of each item and upload it to the system for verification. And USGoBuy carefully repacks your items into one shipment to help you save money. With USGoBuy, shopping on US stores has never been this faster, easier, and reliable. Visit www.usgobuy.com and prepare for your next shopping from the USA.